Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in News ENC channel. Okay, we are still in Visual Basic Learning. In the last video, we have already learning about variable type in Visual Basic. Now, I want to share with you how to use operators and expressions in Visual Basic. Okay, before I starting create new project, I will tell you a little explaining, guys. For our this tutorial, we need for easy tutorial we need to use conditional statement using if and else is the simple way, but conditional statement using if and else in advance I will show you in other video, but I will show you basic in this video tutorial for showing you about operators and expression. Okay guys, first I create new project like usually in my tutorials. Okay, so in this video I will using a simple conditional statement in very basic using if and else conditional statement, but in other video I will show you the advance of using conditional statement if then else. Okay, I create Windows Form application. I give the name is operators and expression, guys. Okay, I click OK, guys. So while we create the project, we open the web letter for explaining the operators and expression in Visual Basic, guys. Before that, I will add, or I do just later. Okay, I need to show you guys. You can see here in this Microsoft Developer Network or MSDN, you can learning about operators and expression in Visual Basic. Okay, the types of operators, this is four type, guys. You can see arithmetic operators, comparison operators, concatenation operators, logical and bitwise operators. Okay, arithmetic usually we can plus or subtract one from another with the minus, like this, guys, or plus. So we can also use multiplication and division and exponentiation, like this. We will not learning all of this, but I will give some example, one or two later. And this is comparison operators. Comparison operators usually uh, using into object or to item, guys. Equality, inequality, less than, okay, greater, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, okay, like this, guys. In the number 3, in concatenation operators, you can see here, for example, in this example, we can join multiple strings into single string like this, but 4 plus, especially, you can see this, the AND operator is defined only for string, guys. Just usually, if your condition is string, use the AND operators, then using plus operator, guys. Okay, this is, you need to read like in this line. The AND operator is defined only for string operands, and it always widens its operand to string, blah 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 blah. Recommended, okay, for string using AND operator, guys. This is for concatenation operators and logical operators. You can see here, guys. uh, for example, x equal not 23, and you can see, greater than 14, okay. So you need to read all of this information for operator in MSDN webpage, okay. And I will show you guys in Visual Basic mode, especially in Windows Phone application, okay. I will give you one example of one operator types, and I need to create one button, guys. One button and label or text box for the base. I think, okay, I need one label and I need one text box. I will add boot, guys. Label here and text box here. Okay, for to easy identification, I will change the text and the name of this item, guys. I will give the button name, or the button text is result like this, and the name of this button I will change to, where is the name properties, name, guys. Name, this is here, bt result, okay, guys. Okay, done for button. And for label, I will create, the name is, okay, I ignore for this label. the name is label 1 guys, and text, okay, I ignore 2, is label 1. And for text box, I think because we just have one label and one text box, I think ignore this uh, is easy to identification. Okay, so I don't want to change for label and for text box, I ignore. Okay, before I show you, like yesterday or later in our video, if we are at some code, we just to click or double click the item. For this example, I will double click in button result. Okay, like this guys. Okay, operators, operators and expressions. Okay, like what I say guys, I will give 1 till 2 example for operators types of operator like this. And the first in arithmetic operators, I will give you example for plus or minus. This is guys, two value in expression together with plus or subtract one from another with minus operator. Okay guys, I will create this is, for example, like this guys. Okay, I think I want to create one text box again guys, for our uh, practice. So uh, it it will give more easy, okay, or easier to us. I will change this text as result like this, and this is text box 1, this is text box 2, and I will drag like this, and this result I will change the font size for better viewing or better view for us guys. Okay, I will change to bold like this, and I will change. Okay, I ignore this BT result or button result. I will change the text is process guys, so you don't confuse with label 1 process like this guys, or I think just using one C. Okay, the name I will change to BT process guys, like this, and this is BT process, you can see here, and this label I will change the name of label is to LBL result, guys. Okay, LBL result, so you don't confuse with our practice. Okay, I will delete this code. So I will double click again in button process, guys. Okay, so I will paste what I calculated, and in the first arithmetic operations I will try to give some value in textbook 1 and textbook 2 with plus or minus or division and multiplication, guys. For example, this is textbook 1, this is textbook 2. I will using plus. So for example, like this, guys. uh, don't, no, I want using text. No, LBL result dot text is equal to I want using plus, guys. So like this, textbox 1 dot text plus textbox 2 dot text, like this, guys. You can see here, and I will running this. This is very simple method to learning about operators and expression in Visual Basic, guys. I will running this project. So I'm very sorry if show you about very basic. This is I present for persons who learning Visual Basic from basic. So I will give the simple example and don't making confuse to our newbie. Okay, I will give this one value and this in two value. The result must have three if right, but I think uh, it 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 will not give three. I will click process, guys. You can see here, this is uh, give give me 12 result, because the text box 1 and text box 2 usually in string data type, guys. You can see the properties is as string, so string plus string is the result is string. So if we to if we need to get the right value in mathematics or so, we just create or we just add the file like this, guys. So the data type is changed from string to integer, like this, guys. So we need just to add fail statement like this, guys. Okay, so I will running this again, but just know you can see the plus operators is works. So I will give this plus, guys. 1 2, I process, give me 3. If I 4 2 6, okay. If 4 8, okay. Done for plus operators. And we also want to see if this minus or multiplication and division, but you can learning in advance for yourself in your home. 5 subtract to 1, the result must 4. Okay, right. If I change 1 to 2 must 3. Okay. Okay, done for arithmetic operator, guys. This is arithmetic operator. Arith arithmetic operator, guys. So I will give this as comment, and for you don't confuse, I will place in the last of sub. So you don't need to, or I just paste on notepad, guys, for example. So we just learning about arithmetic operators, and we need to going learning about comparison operators. You can see this, guys. Design or equality is the value of the first expression equal to the value of the second. Okay, inequality is uh, reverse reverse from equality. Okay, less than, greater than. Okay, I will show you about this, and you can see here I will give you equality or three first example, guys, so you can learn. Okay, this is comparison. I will comparison operator. For example, if I using equality, I will compare this text box 1 and text box 2. If the result is of, or if the value is the same, it will give me result y. And if, or give me t for true, guys, or it, if not the same, it gives me false. Okay, or just f, like this. Okay, guys, I will using simple conditional statement. If text, like this, if value of text box 1 dot text, guys, I will assume for you the text is equal to value of text box 2 dot text, and then the LBL result dot text I will change to true, and else if not equal, I will change LBL result to false, guys. Okay, for example, I just give you the simple way. Okay, and I will running this project. For this is for you show you uh, how the equal or comparison value comparison operators, guys. If this is still empty, I will click. If give me true, you can see because the value is the same or equal text box 1 and text box 2. If this I change to 6 and the text box 2 I ignore empathy, I will process, it will give me false result. If I change to 6, the, if I process, it give me result true. Okay, if I change to 7, false again, and if I change to 7 also, it's true. Okay, this is for equal, but if I change to not equal is using this sign, guys. You can see here, if not equal, it will give me true, reverse from later. Okay, I will try running again. If not equal, reverse with our first example. Okay, or exponent with our first example, guys. Okay, opposite with our first example. If this I give one value and this one value, it will give me false. Opposite with later, guys. I will process, it will give me false result. If not equal, will true. If equal, give me false. Okay, opposite with later, or we just know our first example. So I close again. Okay, and the last I will using less than. For example, if textbox 1 less than textbox 2, the value, it give me the true result. Okay, we need to start the project, guys. If this textbook 1 value is less than textbox 2 value, it will give me true result. For this example, this is 5, this is 19, like this. I will process, it will give me true, or I will give me 0, it will give me false result. Okay, enough for this comparison operators. So I will cut this and paste on notepad for what we've done to practice. Okay, and number 3, concatenation operators. Okay, it's very simple, guys. I will use n and operators. For example is lbl result.text equal to textbook 1 dot text. I want to using n text because the value is string, recommended using n sign like this. Okay, I will try running this project. So whatever we add in text box will we need to will to join multiple string. Okay, so is this is you, me, I process, it will give me you, me, and if I click I, me, like this, news NG for this channel become the CNC, guys, like this. Okay, I think news, not news CNC like this, guys. So I will close. This is very easy. I don't want to explaining anymore. Okay, this is for con concatenations. I will try it. Concatenation. Okay, okay, right. I will cut this. So I pass in here for evidence our practice. Okay. The last operator is logical and bitwise operator. You can see this, guys. If the conditional our using and, it will give our result true. It will give me true result if the two condition is also true, and if it will give me false result is one from another condition is false. Okay, for example like this, guys. I will try logical and bitwise. I will give description like this. Bitwise, for example like this, guys. I will using conditional statement if like this. If text box 1 dot text and text box 2 dot text do like this. I will try, guys. You can see here the statement. If the text box 1 dot text and text box 2 dot text we give the two integer in here, then it will give me LBL ratio is the text. I set to true, guys, like this, and else LBL result the text I want to set false, like this. So this is logical operator. The end will give me true result if the condition, the two condition is in true, and if the one of from the two condition is false, it will uh, give me the false result. Okay, I will try running this case. For example, okay, I will try to give the textbook 1 value 1 and textbooks to give the value 2. I will click this, guys. False, because I set in the code is 2. I will try the process. It will give me true result. For learning, you can see here, guys. This is the condition. If we are using n, if the textbooks 1.text and textbooks 2.text, the value is 2, it will give me result true. But if one from another's, or one from textbook 1 and textbook 2, if set uh, not the same in 2, it will give me the false result. You can see here, guys, if I give the value in textbook 1 is 1, in textbook 2 I will give the 2. You can see why this is true. uh, this must this false case, I think, because I don't add the fill. Okay, show the value like this, or I just create the 2 become string, because the data type of textbook is string, guys. Okay, for example like this. I will try running this project, guys. If 1, this is 2. Oh no, why it give me true? Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. My code is wrong. Not like this. I think it's like this, guys. If we are using n, you can see here, if the textbooks 1.text is 2 and textbook 2.text is 2, then true, and else is false. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm forget about this. Let me see, guys. Let me see if I give this one value and the textbooks 2 I give the 2 value. If right, the result must false. Okay, you can see here now this script is right, guys. And if I give the same value is true and not the same value is false. Okay, you can see if I change to same value will also give me uh why. Oh yes, I think the 2, guys, because I said this is into you can see here, because I said 2, it will give me true if the textbook 1 and textbook 2 is uh, the value is 2. Okay, if not 2, it will give me false, guys, because not suitable or not matched with the condition, because I said 2 here, and you can see it works. Okay, and if the or, guys, if I change the or, you can see here, if I change to or, if the or condition, it will give me true result if the one of the two condition is the value. In this case, the textbook value is 2. Okay, we need just make textbook 1 or textbook 2 in, or set the 2. It will give me I will set just 1 in textbook 1. It will give me true result, not like the n. If the n need the put, if the or, we just need the one of the put. Okay, true guys, you can see here. But if nothing, it will give me false. But one of this, if I set to, it become true. If the put I set true, is it will give me true also. Okay, okay guys, very clearly. Okay, we just using uh, we just learning about operators and expression using Visual Basic in here, and I hope you can understand. But if still confused because you very basic in learning about Visual Basic, you can ask me to in comment form in this video channel guys. Okay, I think it's enough for this. So hope this video is very useful for you for learning about the basic Visual Basic language or program. So in the our future coding in Visual Basic, we we can learning easier. Okay, thanks for watching. In the next video, I will try how to the implementation of using conditional statement, very complex and advanced, using if, else, and etc. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.